Crispy smashed potatoes. Smashed potatoes are a delicious and popular dish made by boiling small potatoes until they are tender, then gently flattening or smashing them before baking or frying them until they become crispy on the outside while remaining soft on the inside. This cooking method enhances the potatoes' texture and flavor, creating a delightful combination of crispy edges and creamy centers. They can be seasoned with various herbs, spices, and toppings, making them a versatile side dish or appetizer. Ingredients: 400 g baby potatoes, salt to taste, freshly ground black pepper to taste, green onions, chopped, optional, 1 teaspoon sour cream powder, optional, fresh herbs for garnish, such as parsley, chives, or thyme. For the dip: vegan mayo or sour cream, chives, sour cream powder. Instructions: 1. Place the potatoes in a large pot and cover them with cold water. Add a generous pinch of salt. Bring to a boil over high heat, then reduce to a simmer and cook until the potatoes are fork tender about 15 to 20 minutes. 2. Drain the potatoes and let them cool slightly until they are easy to handle. 3. Place the potatoes on the prepared baking sheet or chopping board, spacing them apart. Use a potato masher or the bottom of a glass to gently press down on each potato until it's flattened but still in one piece. Be careful not to smash them too thin. 4. Sprinkle with salt and pepper. Add dried rosemary or thyme if desired. 5. Pan fry the potatoes until crispy, or bake them in the oven for 20 to 25 minutes or until golden brown and crispy around the edges. 6. Remove the potatoes from the oven and sprinkle with fresh herbs and sour cream powder if using. Serve with your choice of vegan dip. Enjoy your crispy smashed potatoes as a delightful side dish or appetizer. Crispy smashed potatoes are not only a delightful treat, but also come packed with numerous health benefits. This dish typically features baby potatoes, oil for frying, seasonings like salt and pepper, and optional toppings such as green onions and herbs. Here's a comprehensive breakdown of the health benefits associated with the ingredients used in crispy smashed potatoes. 1. Nutritional powerhouse. Potatoes. They are rich in essential nutrients and can serve as a significant source of energy. One medium-baked potato, around 173 grams, contains calories, about 161, carbohydrates, 36.6 grams, fiber, 3.8 grams. Vitamin C provides about 28% of the recommended daily intake. Potassium, approximately 26% of the recommended daily intake. Vitamin B6, 12% of the recommended daily intake. 1. This impressive nutrient profile makes potatoes beneficial for overall health, supporting bodily functions ranging from muscle contractions to nerve function. 2. Heart health. Potatoes are an excellent source of potassium, which helps reduce blood pressure by facilitating the widening of blood vessels. The fiber content also plays a role in heart health by lowering cholesterol levels. Studies have shown that individuals who consume potatoes regularly, combined with an active lifestyle, have a reduced risk of developing heart-related conditions too. 3. Digestive health. The fiber present in potatoes aids in maintaining a healthy digestive system. It's crucial for regulating bowel movements and preventing constipation. Additionally, potatoes contain resistant starch, which acts as a prebiotic food source for beneficial gut bacteria, promoting gut health. 3. On my cooking channel, you will find many more easy budget recipes. You will learn how to cook delicious plant-based dishes with little time and on a budget with ingredients anyone can afford. My friends, if you like this video, you can help to grow the channel. Thumbs up, rate the video, red heart. Writing hand, write a comment. Ask me a question and share your cooking ideas. I will be more than happy to answer all comments. Thank you so much for watching and see you again.